It's Countdown Book 2, Maths Lecture Time for Grade 2. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students of Grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. I'm your teacher, Miss Sobia Jamshed is here from Al-Qura Public School, Junior Branch, MTC. As today is Friday, students have a blessed Friday, and today is 22nd January 2021. I want to say welcome to you in our math class. It is our math lecture time. So come to our today's task. Today's topic is practice sheet number 7, page number 170. Students, all of you open page number 170. It is our class assignment. We will complete the exercise number 1, exercise number 2, and exercise number 3. So before solving these exercises, I want to share the video. I will explain this page for you, and then you will complete your work on book page. Okay, my dear students, all of you open page number 170. As you can see, I have opened the page number 170. So all of you also open the page number 170. The topic is practice sheet number 7. As yesterday we have done the practice sheet number 1, and today we are going to do the practice sheet number 7. You will open that page and you will write CW and the short date at the top of your page, that is 22nd-1-2021. Students, I want to tell you that it is the last page of our final term syllabus. Alhamdulillah, our final term syllabus has completed today. On Friday, we have completed our final term exam syllabus. So let's ready for today's task. Question number 1 is complete these number pattern. As you can see in the part A, here is the first number 35 and the second is missing. Next is 45. Next is missing 55. And the next 3 boxes are missing. So we can understand easily what we will do. We will skip the numbers by the 5. Skipping of 5 in this line we will be done. So the first number is 35 and the second one will be 40. If we will add 5 in 35, it will be 40, and next will be automatically 45 is here, and next one will be the 50. When we will add 5 in 50, so it will be 55, and when we will add 5 in 55, it will be 60. We will write here 60. Now 65, it is the skipping of 5, and this is the last one, number is 70. So the first part we will do by the skipping of 5, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and 70. Now come to the part B. Here is also the skipping the numbers. We will follow the pattern 6, and if we will add 10 into 6, it will be 16. So in this pattern it will be the skipping of 10. 6 may add, see, if we will add 10 into 6, it will be 16, and when we will be add 10 into 16, it will be 26. And when we will add 26 and 10 into 26, it will be 36. Automatically 36 is here. And now when we will add 10 into 36, it will be 46. And the last one number will be 56. Okay, students, now it is complete. And part C, it is little difficult for you because you are so younger students. The first number is 64, and here we will be the half of first number. The half of the first number is 32, and the half of the 32 is the 16, and the half of the 16 is 8, and half of the 8 is 4, and half of the 4 is 2, and 2's half is 1. So we will fill this box by this way. Okay students, now come to the exercise number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is draw a circle around each even number and cross each odd number. So in this exercise, we will circle around each even number. Firstly, we will find the even number. And as I have told to you, the easy way of find out the even numbers, it is we will read the table of 2, which numbers are included in table of 2. These are all even numbers, rest of the odd number. So 4 and 6 both are in table of 2. They are divided on table of 2 equally, so these are even numbers. So we will circle the 64, it is even number, and 42 is also an even number, and 108 is also an even number, and rest of the numbers are odd. So we will cross the odd. 29 is odd, 54 is odd, 71 is odd, 101 is odd. So if this exercise is completed now. Now to the last exercise, that is draw a red line to join any two numbers that add up to 96 and a green line to join any two numbers that add up to 100. So students, we will find the numbers. Firstly, we will find the numbers which will be give the answer up to 96. So which two numbers we will find that answer will be up to 96? I hope the numbers are 70 and 29 is equal to 99. The answer is up to 96. So we will match 70 and 29, because when 70 and 29 will be added, so the answer will be 9, 7 and 2, 9, 99. So we will find the answer 99. It is up to 96. So we will match these both numbers. And next one is and we will draw a green line to join any two numbers that add up to 100. Now we will find two numbers which we will give the answer up to 100. So here is a number 50 and another number is also 53. When we will add 50 into 53, so the answer will be 3, 5 and 5, 10. The answer is 103. So we find 50 plus 53 up to answer is up to 100. So answer is 103. Okay students, it is very easy exercise. Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. You will solve this exercise by yourself on your maths book on page number 170. Then you will send the images of your work. I will check your work. If you feel any difficulty, I am here for your assistance. I will help you, and don't feel shy to ask any question. Okay students? Okay students, as you have seen the video, and I hope you have better understanding about this video, about this topic, practice sheet number 7. So it is our home assignment. You will do this work, practice sheet number 7 on page number 170 on your maths book, and then you will send me your work. And I want to say goodbye and take care yourself. Have a nice weekend. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, we will meet with our new topic on Monday. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Have a good care of yourself.